Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? Here are 6 amazing benefits why you should start today. Welcome to Igwe YouTube Tips, 1 million views. I decided to share this information because lots of people haven't seen the big benefits what YouTube channel can do in their lives and finances. Are you a preacher, a footballer, an artisan? Are you an entertainer or any other form of livelihood? You may not have gotten that visibility and the financial freedom you deserve without having your own YouTube channel. Are you new here or a returning audience who haven't joined this amazing community? Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell and share this video. This will allow YouTube algorithm to push this video to others who need to watch it. Also, you will be notified when my next video will be published. Thank you for doing that. Benefits number 1, global reach. With a YouTube channel, you can share your content to the global audience. This allows you to reach millions of people all over the world, connecting with people of diverse background, culture, and the countries, expanding your reach beyond geographical boundaries. Benefits number 2, creativity and expression. A YouTube channel provides an incredible platform for self-expression and creativity. You can showcase your talents, share your passion, and bring your ideas to life through a high-quality videos, graphics, and storytelling. Benefits number 3, community building. YouTube platform can give you that enablement for you to create a loyal community around your content, connecting with like-minded individuals who share your interests. This community can become a supportive network, providing feedbacks, encouragement, and the motivation for you to keep on creating. Benefits number 4, income opportunity. YouTube channel gives you opportunity to have multiple streams of income through advertisements, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and the merchandise sales. Your finances keep growing as your YouTube channel also grows. Benefits number 5, authority and credibility. Expanding your YouTube channel can position you as an authority in your niche, increasing your credibility and expertise. This can lead to more opportunities like speaking engagements, collaboration, and business ventures. Benefits number 6, legacy and impact. A YouTube channel can give you opportunity and allows you to leave a lasting legacy, making a positive impact on your audience and the wider world. Your content can inspire, educate, and entertain, leaving a permanent mark to your audience and those who watch your videos. To build a YouTube channel is very easy if you can commit yourself. I will pin a link on the comments and in the description also, giving you the guideline how you can build your own YouTube channel today. To know how to use CapCut Editing Pro features for free, watch this video. Thank you and see you in the next one.